Help me, it's right behind me.
Okay, just don't look down. Don't look down. Oh no, I looked down.
My stomach is glowing. I can see my ribs from the inside. New rule. No eating things that look like lava. Okay. Stay calm. Don't breathe. Don't blink.
Today I'm doing it. Lava logs, dragon sneezes, crossing a rope bridge in a thunderstorm challenge, and much more.
I'm not thinking about it. I'm doing the impossible challenges. No turning back now. This isn't just a vlog. It's a survival scream. So hit that subscribe button, like button, and pray I make it to the end.
Okay. This is insane. Who balances on a floating log over lava?
One wrong twitch, and I'm extra crispy fur flakes. I can feel my heart pounding through my ribs. My toes are literally cooking right now. The forest is on fire and the log is floating. Subscribe now in case I don't make it. This is it. One challenge down. 14 more nightmares to go.
This bridge wasn't built for 800 pounds of wet cryptid. Every step creaks like it's about to snap.
My fur's soaked. My grip's slipping in the wind. It wants me dead.
Okay, just don't look down. Don't look down. Oh no, I looked down. Why is the thunder so loud? It's like nature is booing me.
If I fall, tell the Mothman I always believed in him. All right, one more step. Who builds a bridge like this? One wrong step and I'm a pancake at the bottom of a canyon. I am one sneeze away from being dragon barbecue. Do not sneeze. Who even sheds feathers in a dragon cave? This is a trap. Okay. Stay calm. Don't breathe. Don't blink. Don't. This is the worst vlog idea I've ever had. Please don't let this sneeze be my legacy. All right, forest freaks. This little berry, they say it only grows once every 100 years and it burns your soul from the inside out. I can see my ribs from rule. My stomach is glowing. I can see my ribs from the inside. New rule. No eating things that look like lava. Please send milk immediately, urgently, dangerously, before I explode. This waterfall is going the wrong way, and so am I. Up is down. Down is up. Gravity quit its job, I didn't. Every rock's a lie. My grip's gone. My fur's a sponge.
But something's falling from the top.
It hears your heartbeat. That's all it needs. If I panic, I die. If I breathe, I die. I've faced lava, dragons, demons, but this is pure fear. It's here. I can't see it.
Help me, it's right behind me.
There you are. Okay, so bad news. Parachute's broken. Worse news. There's no ground.
Okay, this is not a normal tornado. Why are the leaves screaming at me in Latin?
He spins mid-air, clutching a branch. This isn't photosynthesis, this is a hate crime. I should not be good at this. Whoa, that was close.
I'm lava surfing on a rock slab. Tree explodes behind him. Everything's on fire. I repeat, the jungle is 100% on fire.
This is not a sport. This is a cry for help.
It's hailing. Why is it hailing frogs? Ice frog smashes nearby. That one had eyes. Why did that one have eyes?
He slips, ducks under a crashing branch. Nature's throwing frozen amphibians at me, and I do not approve.
This weather is illegal. Where is the forest manager?
That eel just winked at me. Why am I on a mushroom? Why is it floating?
That eel just winked at me. Wave crashes nearby. Fish leap through the air.
That eel just winked at me. A fish just screamed at me. I think I screamed back.
Do not flirt with me right now. This is not a safe storm. This is an emotional event.
It's raining, but nothing's getting wet. The rain's whispering my name.
It just melted that tree. Rain is not supposed to do that. This storm isn't weather, it's a personal attack. Why is the ice talking to me? Crack explodes underfoot. Lightning. Lightning flashes. Every step is a betrayal. This lake has trust issues. Lightning's hitting the path like it's mad at me personally. This isn't skating.
This is survival on hard mode. I'm in the ocean. Why are the waves cutting me? Glass shards fly past. Camera flickers with flashes of memories.
Okay, that's it for today. Somehow I'm still alive. Lava didn't melt me. Dragons didn't eat me.
I did the impossible challenges, you watched it, but promise me you'll never, ever try it.